I'm Matt with Cornerstone Control Systems. We're going to go over how to troubleshoot the gates and how to reset them if there's any problems. Like I said before, basically, if the power goes out, these are going to come up, both of them automatically. If there's a problem and you need both of them open fast, the breakers is marked in here where the breakers are. Do y'all have these keys, or do I need to get some more?
We need to get some more.
It's marked right there on both panels.
Okay.
People coming in, I don't know if they ever come in here with trailers or not. This thing will nail a trailer, because once the first car clears the loop, it gets the signal to go down. So if a trailer is coming through, the best thing to do is to open it. You can do that just by hitting the up button.
We're in training right now.
That'll stay like that until you come back.
Okay.
It's just a button right there, it says up. Okay. When you come back and you want it down,
About 20 minutes.
push it to the down position.
Can you repeat that process?
Like I said, if you just want it in the up, I mean just to stay up for any reason, a trailer coming through, big truck, whatever, you can just hit the up. That's pretty much it. You can leave it in that phase, you can turn it off, however you want to do it. It's just easier just to leave it on. Just push it down, go back to its auto position, and it'll run.
The other two toggle switches?
One is power, the other is battery backup. The center one is your battery backup. It always stays on. That way if power does fail, you want that thing to come up. Unless you want 100 residents calling you, saying they can't get in or out. These are pretty simple. The only thing that controls this one right here, you got two loops. You got an exit loop and a safety loop. If there's a problem, these can be tested just easily with this lid. Just got to hit the corner of the loop. Go up. Hit the corner of the loop again. Go back down. Once the car is sitting here or here, they're closing. If it does, problem somewhere, you need to immediately contact us and figure out what the problem is. You should hold there indefinitely. On your entrance gate, you only have one loop, because what keys it is your card reader mode. The fire department does have their override. If you come out here and this thing is held open, it's one or two things. You can flip this up, and the key has an arrow on it. It shows you normal position or emergency open. If the fire department flips this, they're the only ones who can flip it back. Fire, police, they're the only ones with the key. So you immediately just have to call them back and say, you know, my Knox box has been enabled, I need it disabled. Now they do have the SOS, which we can run a test on where I can show you how to reset it.
We have a call back for 86 and 2.
Once it senses that, it stays in the up position until reset. It's the same controls on the inside of this one as the other one. There's not. That needs to be reset. I can reset that right quick. but it's supposed to hold until further notice. That's just in the programming right here. I'll take it loose with a screwdriver and program it.
Is this the same? Is the same panel that I want? I mean the breaker for Todd's building,
Yes.
number 15.
They're both on the same breaker. They're only half horsepower motors. They only draw like 7.5 amps at peak. So they both are on the 20 amp breaker.
So it's a high power, right? HPL.
House panel? Yeah.
Which power did you use? 120?
Mm-hmm. Right. Yeah, that's not supposed to reset.
You just label it right there. The panel. The breaker.
I don't know if the electrician labeled it. That wasn't on my end. I just know which breaker it's tied to, and I always label it on my end. So I don't know if he's got it on his door, but you can basically look at that right there.